Hi, my name is Sam from The Boat Show, and we're here today to show you the new from ALBEMARLE. It's the 29 Express, a very compact, easy running fishing machine. Great for the angler that wants to start their fishing seriously. Now for a boat this size, there's 64 square feet of space here in the cockpit, and it's fully equipped for fishing. We have a transom door with the lift gate, when you do get that big one. There's also a live well. As all good fishing boats, plenty of space, but there is actually the option of having a gyro stabilizer from Seakeeper. On the floor of the cockpit, on port and on starboard, we have two fish boxes of 56 gallons each. And we also have a freshwater and a saltwater washdown system. There's also an aft mezzanine seat. Great spot to watch those rods when they're in the water. On starboard, there's a tackle centre or rigging station. And there's also a sink. Moving forward on the boat, we have the helm to starboard. And on port, we have companion seating for other two people. It has clear covers, air conditioning. So once you close all this off, you're out of the weather and it's nice and cool. At the helm, it has a very modern look. We have two screens. We also have all the switches right here. They're all lit. We have the control for the engine. And on this model here, we don't have it at the moment, but you can have as an option the Optimax drive system. In the cabin, we have an access through a folding door. Below, we have cherry wood interior cabinetry. The galley has a solid surface countertop with a sink, a microwave oven and a refrigerator. It will easily accommodate 4 adults for overnight. There's a separate head compartment which has a sink, a pull-out flange shower and a toilet. Up the front, we have a V-berth lounge with cushions and storage below. And from the top of the flybridge, a 360-degree view, clear view for the bow, clear view for the fighting at the back. Great little fishing boat. And on the bow, we also have a windlass anchor with foot controls. Bow rail, a complete boat. Now we've just given you a quick run through the new ALBEMARLE 29 Express. It's compact, it's full of features, it's a great little fishing boat. So if you are out there trying to get that nice little fishing boat that you've always dreamed of, well, you should check out the new ALBEMARLE 29 Express. It's the complete package. Until next time, see ya.